Take the incoming need.
This is Rolls-Royce motorcycle alarm system which I bought it from Amazon for 800 rupees. Let's see what we have inside. It has got a 6-month warranty card and instructions on how to activate this warranty. It has got an alarm module, 2 sets of remote keys, a speaker, connecting wires, and just a paper showing connection diagram and its functions. The alarm circuit consists of 8 color-coded wires. 2 LOS should be connected to the positive of right and left side indicator circuit. 2 wires should be connected to self-start ignition positive line. Red and black should be directly connected to battery positive and negative, which is the power supply for the alarm module. Orange wire should be connected to 2-pin flasher positive line. Pink and grey wire, I am not going to use it, so let us roll and keep it aside. These 2 plugs, green and grey, are connected to right and left side of the rear indicators. We are going to connect our 2 LOS to the positive of these 2 plugs. In green plug, green is the positive line, and in grey plug, grey wire is the positive line. Red and black wires are connected directly to battery positive and negative terminals. Blue wire is connected to the positive of the self-start ignition line. Orange wire is connected to the positive of the 2-pin flasher along with the buzzer. As said before, I am not going to use this pink and grey wire. Connect the speaker on the alarm module with the plug. This is the antenna. Now the wiring has been completed. Let's check the operations. The remote key consists of 4 buttons: lock, unlock, search and start buttons. To start the bike in remote condition, the bike should be in neutral and battery switch should be in on position. Search key is used to identify the bike in heavily crowded area. By pressing the search button, activates the alarm. Start Under lock condition, if somebody tries to move the bike, then the alarm will be activated.